Okay, we're going to make mini fruit pies, and we're going to use Pillsbury refrigerated pie crust. This one has been out a long time, so it's up to room temperature. We have to be pretty careful unrolling it. Once they get too warm, they don't unroll really good without sticking to themselves pretty badly. And the way we're going to do this, we're going to take a water glass, because it's the only thing I found that I think is the right diameter, and we're going to try to cut out a disc. Let's see how that works. Well, I think it worked. This is a whoopie pie pan. So we're going to take that disc and we're going to put it here. Should be just a little bit bigger around. This might work. My plan is I might be able to take a knife and trace around that. The glass is about 3.5 inches, and this is about 4. That's the size I was hoping to get in the first place, so that's what we'll be doing. Don't know how many of these I'll get, but we'll find out in a couple of minutes. We also are going to need some smaller discs. So we'll cut those with this cookie cutter. My plan is to make 2 flavors, which should be cherry and mango. I've made a filling for the mango, and the cherry is going to come from a can. And then we're going to spoon some of that into each. I used diced mango. This is a 15-ounce can. Yep. But I ran it through the food processor so that it's not just diced, it's more almost like crushed pineapple at this point. All right. So let's see if this part of the plan goes together. This is the one that's kind of too small. So all of the other ones should work better. This is what we're planning on doing here, is roll it up around. I'm not really going to crimp it because I really can't. But I'm rolling it up around like that. I'm just rolling that over to try to seal it up somewhat. And what I'm going to do here too is I'm going to cut some vents. Okay, let's start making some cherry mini pies. I like cherry, but I'm the only one in the family that does, so I'm only making 4 of them. and they don't look done yet, but I'm really glad I put something underneath. We'll give them a couple more minutes, maybe 5 more minutes. That's what they look like. As you can see, they went over the edges a little bit. That's what they look like. All of this could have been avoided if I had made the disc a little bigger so that I got a better seal, or hadn't put quite as much filling in any of them, because they were all, judging by the way they filled out, they were all overfilled. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Join us on Facebook. We have the Gringo Baker group on Facebook, which is open to everybody. So come join us. And there's our finished product, a delicious little cherry mini pie. Thanks for watching.